Welcome to King Green Tip. We share health tips and weight loss tips.
5 kg weight loss in 1 week with turmeric tea. Weight loss recipes of turmeric detox tea vertical bar. Turmeric makes for one of the most indispensable parts of households. Not only does it help add color and flavor to most curries, it is also known for its medicinal properties. In fact, it is said to be one of the superfoods that have numerous bioactive compounds that endow several medicinal benefits to this spice. Other compounds that are present in turmeric are volatile oils, potassium, omega-3 fatty acids, linolenic acids, proteins, carbohydrates, fibres, which are known to benefit overall health. While the spice is said to keep you healthy, it is also believed that it may help you lose weight and cut the belly flap too. Yes, you heard us. A cupful of turmeric tea may just turn out to be the answer to your weight loss woes. Here's how to implement this formula. Materials to prepare. The first is 2 spoons of turmeric powder. The second is 1 ginger. The third is 2 tablespoons of honey. The fourth is a 300 milliliters glass of water. Here are 4 ingredients to prepare for this recipe. Proceed as follows. First, ginger. You wash, clean the peel and cut ginger into small fibers. Ginger has got lots of benefits. It helps in proper digestion and therefore helps in preventing constipation. It is mainly used in cooking and a common kitchen ingredient for various recipes. It helps in treating nausea and morning sickness. Ginger can be eaten raw or powdered and has various medicinal benefits. Ginger is commonly used to treat cold and cough. It helps in reducing blood sugar levels. It helps in lowering cholesterol levels. Since ginger aids in digestion and lowers cholesterol levels, this is the perfect ingredient to use in a weight loss drink. Ginger is also beneficial in controlling hunger pangs, and if hunger increases we tend to overeat, thus increasing our weight. Ginger helps and prevents us from overeating, and it aids in proper digestion. Next, you have chopped ginger into a pot. Pour 300 milliliters of water into the pot. You boil for about 5 minutes so that the essence of ginger is released. You turn off the stove and pour out the filter to filter out the ginger. You pour this bowl of water into a cup. Next, you put 2 turmeric powder into the cup. You give 2 tablespoons of honey. Finally, you use the spoon to stir the ingredients together. Honey, a natural nectar made by bees, is a naturally soothing ingredient that contains powerful nutrients and enzymes that have been used in national medicinal remedies for thousands of years. Unlike refined sugars like granulated white sugar or high fructose corn syrup, which can cause a host of problems in the body if consumed too frequently, honey is considered to be an all-natural sweetener. Consuming raw honey is likely to make you feel better given its natural antifungal and antibacterial properties. Raw honey is also a source of antioxidants, important components that help to block free radicals in the body and to protect our cells. These antioxidants help to prevent a host of diseases, making them a natural immune system booster and defender. Ginger and honey are common ingredients in our everyday life and are extremely good for your health. But apart from adding flavor to your foods, make a great combination for your health and are extremely effective in weight loss. Turmeric tea is known to be good for the digestive system, which is key to shedding kilos. Moreover, it has anti-inflammatory properties that help suppress fat cell proliferation. Another way turmeric tea helps lose weight is by regulating blood sugar levels, further preventing insulin resistance. The curcumin compound in turmeric is the fat burner that you need to speed your weight loss journey. You must include turmeric tea in your daily diet, and in order to make it more effective and tastier, we suggest you add these healthy fat burners and stimulators to your tea in order to lose weight. Regularly consuming weight loss drink helps support your efforts to lose weight, but it's unrealistic to expect major weight loss without making other lifestyle changes, such as diet and exercise. Exercising for 30 minutes a day, at least 5 days a week, will also boost your metabolism and build muscle mass. Thank you for watching the video, wish you success. If you find your video useful, like it and share it with friends. Don't forget to press the subscribe channel and notification to update the weight loss recipe every day.